What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Jeep Compass started if the key fob dies. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2026 Jeep Compass in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying Key Fob Not Detected. So what I'm going to do is grab my key fob, and I'm going to use the top of it to push the stop start button. So press the brake in like normal. Then I'm going to come over here and just use the top of the key fob to press the stop start button. And once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.